Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So let's make a PowerPoint template. First of all, insert an image in the background and insert a rectangle and change its color to black and then give it transparency. Insert this diamond shape and you have to duplicate it by pressing Ctrl plus D about many times and then select them and duplicate them as well by pressing Ctrl plus D and select them and put them right here, and you can remove the unwanted shapes that are not included in this slide that are out of the template. Select some of them, the rectangle and then the diamond shape, and then go to merge options and then subtract them. Only a few of them have to be done like this, and for the remaining shapes you're gonna give them a color. So I'll just use this turquoise color. Give some of them more transparency and give some of them less transparency. Next, what you have to do is insert a rectangle to subtract the unwanted part of the shapes that are out of the template. One by one, you're gonna copy and paste the rectangle and then remove the unwanted parts. Next, insert your text box in which you're gonna write your header and increase its size and bold it and give it a bold font. And then you have to put it right here like this and insert a straight line right below it, and I'll give a subtitle just below that line. And the next thing we're going to do is go to insert tab and icons and select one icon that you want to use as the logo of this template. By the way, you can download the icons from flaticon.com because that website have a lot of free icons. And by signing in, you can change the color of the icons and customize the icon. Next, what you have to do is insert a new slide in which you have to put two rectangles and insert each of them and each of image. And I'll use the image from online pictures that are provided in the PowerPoint. Now go to crop and picture format to adjust the size of the images. Next, you have to duplicate those rectangle and give them gradient and put each of them in the front of each of the picture. So let's just give them the gradient of the theme color we are using in this template, and instead of diamond right in between the shapes, and you have to increase its shadow, and you have to insert a text box in it, increase its size and change its color to white, and add your content text as well. Decrease the content text size. Next, insert the header of this template right between these images right here, and insert your content text as well. And the next thing you're going to do is put that text right here like this next to each other. Select all of them and group them if you want and duplicate them, and I'll just paste them right here. Next, insert a new slide in which you're going to go to format background and insert a rectangle right on top. Go to picture fill and give it a picture fill. I'll use online images, and next you're gonna insert this shape right here, and you have to make it thicker, I mean thinner, yeah. And then you have to insert a text box right in the middle of the template, and in it you're gonna write your header, and next you're gonna insert a straight line and give it a gradient with the gradient strip of black in between and the white in the sides. Here you go. Next, what you're gonna do is insert your content text. I'll just decrease its size and change its color and change its font. Give it a line spacing. Now insert another of the template in which you're gonna insert a rectangle like this about 6 times in this specific pattern, and give each of them a picture fill. Now, after adjusting the images, you're gonna insert your content text and the title and give the spacing, line spacing to the content text and remove any unnecessary shapes if you want. And next, you're gonna insert this small circle right here, in which you're gonna insert two icons. You have to change the color accordingly, and then you have to decrease the size and put the right edge of this middle at the center of these circles. Change the color to white and insert the text box right in front of them, which include the title, and insert your content text and decrease its size and give it some spacing and put it right below each of the title. Now insert a new slide in which you are gonna insert this shape. Yeah, something like this. Remove the sunlight and give it a change of color. And the next thing you're going to do is insert a circle of the same height and width and insert an image in the circle. So I'll use this image of cars and then go to crop option and then crop it and then adjust its size. Similarly, insert an oval shape and give a transparency white off out of the template, half inside. And I insert a text box for the header. Put it right here like this. Insert your content text as well.